Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to raise a purchase order in Xero. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Xero's purchase order functionality helps you manage your supply chain efficiently by allowing you to create, copy, and approve purchase orders and seamlessly transition to bills or invoices. To create a purchase order, what you need to do first is go to the purchase overview to see a summary of all of your bills and purchase orders. Then click on the new drop down and select purchase order. Then enter basic details such as enter the name of your supplier, set the date for the purchase order. Delivery date and reference are optional but can be filled in if needed. Next, choose a branding theme if you have set one up to customize the appearance of the purchase order according to your brand. If you have set up products and services, select the item you are ordering from the list. Alternatively, enter the goods or services manually in the description field. If applicable, enter the discount percentage and the Xero will calculate the amount for you. Choose the account from the chart of accounts to code your purchase order to. Xero will automatically populate the account code if it's set up in the inventory item. Xero displays the postal address from organization details by default. You can change this using one of the three options under the delivery address dropdown. Next, click Save if further editing is needed. If the purchase order is complete and you have the appropriate user role, click Approve. Once approved, the purchase order is ready to send. Xero will use the default email template to send it, which can be customized in email settings. From the purchase orders dashboard, select the checkbox next to the purchase orders you want to copy. Click on Copy to, then choose the type of transaction you want to create. When copying multiple purchase orders with the same contact, Xero will create one draft bill with all line items from the original orders. Similarly, copy purchase orders to create a sales invoice. The sales price from any inventory item will populate automatically. Finally, click the View Item link, enter a due date if it hasn't been set up in invoice settings, click Approve to finalize. And that's pretty much all about how you can raise a purchase order in Xero.